Are you looking for the Dser RoboGeek 21T robot vacuum cleaner we've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features. Build quality and design. The RoboGeek 21T is slim and has been designed for getting into small and cramped spaces. It's less than 3 inches thick, which is small enough to fit under most sofas. It can also navigate easily under other low-lying furniture like beds, dressers, and other trouble spots that can be a barrier to an upright vacuum. It's also 14 inches in diameter, which is on the large side, meaning it can cover a large area of floor relatively quickly. Suction and cleaning power. So, we know RoboGeek is well designed on the outside. This little vacuum pulls with a powerful 16 kilopascals of vacuum pressure. A typical upright vacuum will pull at around 20 kilopascals, which means the RoboGeek is nearly as powerful. That's impressive, considering the relatively small size. Charging dock. The RoboGeek 21T automatically returns to the charging base when the battery drops below 20%. This saves you a lot of work and will eliminate the need for monitoring the battery level. Wi-Fi and apps control. The RoboGeek 21T is now Wi-Fi enabled and supports iPhones with iOS 8.0 or higher as well as Android 4.4 or above. Its intelligent Wi-Fi controls can guide the sweeper with both its phone app and remote control. Open the app to unlock more features. With this feature, you can vacuum from anywhere via the smartphone app or remote control and utilize a wide variety of vacuuming functions. BoostGen technology. The Vacuum BoostGen technology. This feature automatically detects when the vacuum is sucking up a large quantity of dust or debris and adjusts the motor power to compensate. If necessary, the RoboGeek 21T can ramp up to 1.5 times its usual strength, which means it can clean up even the most stubborn of messes. Heavily soiled rugs, spills, and large objects are no match for this setting. Pros. Built-in infrared anti-collision sensor. Also clean a wide variety of surfaces. Compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Automatically returns to the charging base.